Welcome to 133 Blake. This is a unique three-level house that has 13 rooms, 3 full baths, and a giant yard plus garage. Out of those 13 rooms, 2 are bonus rooms. You have a living room, a kitchen, and then 9 bedrooms. 2 of the baths are split, and there's a bath on each level. Here we're in the kitchen, which has been recently remodeled or just remodeled. You got a stainless whirlpool, bottom drawer, freezer, refrigerator, a gas range with hood, Frigidaire, a white Frigidaire dishwasher. That's just a protective blue coating. You peel that off and it's white. Subway top backsplash, all new oak cabinets. There's hardwood floors throughout. And then off the living room, or off the kitchen, is the living room. It's good size, has a chandelier, and an original window that looks onto the little staircase area and a peek of the giant yard. There's a bigger shot of your kitchen. Off here is one of the bonus rooms, which is tiled. It has a door to the backyard, double windows, and a leftover sort of counter area. It is an independent room here with its own door off the kitchen. Continuing on this middle level of the house, this is the first bath. A split bath means you have the shower and the sink on one side and the toilet on another. This is a new stall shower, floor to ceiling natural stone tile, cute vanity. And then here is the rest of the bath that's been also redone. More natural stone tile. There's a closet, storage, new central heating system, and also on loan from the Smithsonian, a phone, just so the tenants know how hard it was to dial before they were born. This would be the first of the 9 rooms I count as bedrooms, pretty good size. High ceilings, no closet. And this room here, I'm also counting as a bedroom, but you're free to use these rooms any way that you want. There's a decorative fireplace, smoked mirror treatment, a bay window, it's a pretty big room. We'll head upstairs. Here's the front door. It's got a little peekaboo. And upstairs we have another bath. There's a bath, a full bath on each level, and 5 rooms, which I'm calling bedrooms. There's a pretty generous landing here. It's almost a room in itself. A big closet. And although that's almost a room, I'm not counting it. So the first of the 5 rooms up here has a big bay window. It's a huge bedroom. And this Blake is very centrally located between USF and Geary. A big walk-in closet. The next bedroom has another bay window, another decorative fireplace. You get some period details. The third is smaller, no closet. It's still big enough. Here's the split bath for this level, all redone, more natural stone tile. Here you get a tub with a shower underneath, above, new vanity. Next is the 4th bedroom on this level. got a reasonable closet and some windows, and this bedroom opens to the second bonus room, which is all tile. It has a view of the Presidio and towards USF. It's a shot of the yard. And a back door here. So if you use that as the entry, you close that door, you can make that a 10th bedroom, sleeping room. Then the next final 5th bedroom on this level, it's also very big. It's got a nice view and a built-in closet. Headed back down, we have a lower level. Staircase is done in two-tone hardwood. That looks great. And everything down here is new. It's got high ceilings, nice looking floors. This room is quite big. A double pane window looking towards the yard. And a walk-in closet with a nook back here. So you got a pretty big room, its own area. And then the final, I would call the 9th bedroom, also has a new window and a pretty good size lit closet. Staying on this lower level, we get to a tiled area, indicate you're headed towards the bathroom, which is all new. Has a marble vanity, a stall shower, some fun movable doors, nice tile, and you get a garage with 133 Blake. Plenty of room for a car or bikes or whatever. And there's a storage room off the garage and washer dryer hookups here. Staying on this level, we'll go through the back door, which leads to a giant patio. They just finished this, so it's fair to assume there's a little more something happening here. And then you have a tennis court size yard plus the patio, so all sorts of space. Your neighbor is the Shell station, so I don't think too many people are going to care what you do back here. And here's the back of the house. You get these decks with it too. If you're interested in leasing 133 Blake, visit BillHarkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Thank you.